Hey, what's up? You ready to make another app? We're actually going to add on to the last app we made. We're actually going to start a brand new app, but it's basically the same thing we were doing last time. So we are making Friendbook Plus. Are you pumped for that? Friendbook Plus. So essentially it's the same thing as Friendbook, but we're adding more things. We're going to add like the phone number of the person. We're going to add like a picture of the person. So we're just adding more details. So two big things that I want you to learn while you're making this app. So the first one is if you just finished the Swift section, this whole app should teach you why classes are really cool and why you should like them, and they'll save you tons of time. Like I'm going to illustrate it pretty clearly that using classes will save you a lot. So that's thing one. Thing two is we're going to learn how to display images in our app. So when we have all our friends listed and you tap on someone's name, we're going to have, the name, the birthday, a phone number, and their picture show up, okay? So you can kind of learn how to display images up in your app. So that's kind of fun. But remember, the big thing I want you to learn in this one is classes are important, and I think you'll see it pretty clearly. So with that, we can dive into the sketch that I've created, a little sketch of what the app's going to look like. We'll actually go in a separate video, but I'll give you a preview here. Yeah, let's dive into it.